welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to try to show you guys a weekly Dollar Tree haul, mostly on Saturdays because, I don't know, Saturdays are the best time to show videos for you guys. If you guys are watching this, this is pre-recorded. I did record this. I bought some of these items before Valentine's Day, so I'm going to show you guys what I got, you know, for my family, but they're getting their Valentine's Day late because I like to shop on clearance. But I'm here to show you guys what I got. Now, one thing I am super excited for is this bunny thing. I do know they have different colors, but my store only had the pink one, and what I'm thinking of doing is taking this apart and using this for something. I think it's kind of cute, but I'm not into this tinsel stuff, so I am going to be doing something else. You guys will have to stay tuned for that. But yes, I do want to do a DIY, and yes, I will. I may or may not show you guys. I just been kind of, you know, depressed lately where I just don't want to do anything. I have so much stuff I got to do, but I just don't want to. So I'm gonna definitely do something with that. I saw this sign. Somebody was doing a shop with me, and I absolutely love it. I'm like, I bet you I will not find this sign. I walk into a store and they had it. I think it's gorgeous. I love it. It's not glittery or anything, but it just says Happy Easter, you know, and I think that's super cute. I'm going to do another video where I decorate my mantle with Easter items. A lot of you guys seem to enjoy that, and it's going to be pretty much all Dollar Tree stuff. I saw this sign that says Happy Easter. It is full of glitter, and I thought it was super cute. They didn't have very much to choose from, so some of these have a little bit of flaws to it. But I don't care. I think it's still adorable, and I plan on getting a lot of Easter signs. I also got this ribbon, this purple ribbon. I eyed this up last time, and I'm like, why didn't I get it? So I found it, so I know I look weird. I don't have eyeliner on. It's weird. But I got this. I got two of them. I'm not sure what bag it is in, but I got one of those. Now, I want to do, you guys saw that I posted an experiment video with Ben. I really like to do experiments or crafts and stuff with Ben. So I'm thinking of showing you guys stuff that I find at the Dollar Tree to do experiments so you guys can do stuff with your kids. So I found this woodcraft kit. This was a, looks like a bird feeder or something, or birdhouse. It says it's a birdhouse, but it looks kind of like a bird feeder. I thought this would be a cute little thing to help him make. We could put it right on the deck because we have birds in our deck. So I thought this would be something cute to work with him. And then if he wants to paint it, he can do whatever he wants to do. So for $1, I can't go wrong with kids' crafts. Now, I found this Clar and Danver liquid hand soap. Now, if you guys go to Amazon.com and you type this up, this sells, just this bottle alone, sells for $7.92. It's crazy. $7.92. I'm like, what is so special? Who would buy a bottle of shampoo for $7.92? I don't know. You're nuts if you buy one bottle of, I don't know why I'm saying shampoo, but it's hand soap. But I absolutely love apples, and I smell this, and it smells so good. I showed the husband, he's like, why didn't you get more? And I'm like, I don't know, I have so much hand soap as it is, but I couldn't pass it up. I'm like, I'll get something for, you know, $7.92 on Amazon. I found these. I'm in a Dollar Tree group where people show like their hauls and stuff, and I absolutely love this. I do got a Light Bright I got for my son. I haven't given it to him yet. I'm going to give it to him when he's older, but I thought this would be something for him to play with now. I'll probably do a video showing you guys how these work. But it's the LED glow art. It's just like a Light Bright. I got two of them, so me and him can both have some fun making designs and stuff. But I think it's pretty cute, you know. If you guys want to see a video like this, let me know, because I'm excited to show you guys how Dollar Tree things work. But what you got is you got your little thing. I think it does take, it needs batteries. Yeah, it needs 3 AAA batteries. So we got your little box right there, and then it comes with those little pokey things. You don't get much, but hey, you know what? I'm excited to have some fun with my son. So if you guys are interested in me doing like a little play video with that, let me know. I can show you guys. I like to show you guys as much Dollar Tree stuff that I can get. I ended up getting some plates because I am doing a DIY with this, and I'm so excited to do this. I ended up getting just one of these smaller plates. So can't go wrong with that, and it's clear. And then I ended up getting 2 of the bigger plates. I have some DIYs that I'm gonna do with these, so you guys will definitely have to make sure and watch that. Like I said, I want to do a lot of DIYs. I just don't have ambition for it, but I will do it soon. I ended up finding these. These are not the greatest quality for the storage containers, but I could not pass it up. They were in pink and purple. I absolutely love these. I just have a bookshelf that we just built right next to my desk, and I wanted to put some stuff in it, so I got this to like kind of organize some of my crafts. So I got 4 of those because they are super cute. I found these candle eggs. I think these are adorable. They had it in a bunch of different colors, but I had to get the purple and pink. The guy's like, oh, we just put those out like not that long ago, so I got a fresh picking, but couldn't go wrong with that. So I'm going to put those on my mantle. I got a spray bottle. I'm going to do some Dollar Tree hacks, you know, to show you if you guys can make stuff and if it works. So you guys will definitely have to stay tuned for that, but I needed a spray bottle, and you can't go wrong with a $1 spray bottle. I got more stuff, more stuff. I ended up getting a tissue paper. I thought this was super cute tissue. I'm going to do a DIY with this stuff, and I thought that'd be a great design with that. I got white distilled vinegar. Again, I'm going to do a hack, and I need some vinegar, so I'm going to do that. I found a timer, and the thing is why I'm using this is because my son needs to brush his teeth, and he does, but I want to like time him so he can brush his teeth for like it's a 2-minute timer. And so I thought, you know what, if I can have him like, you know, brush as long as the timer goes on, I can do that. I found this, another woodcraft. This is a coin bank. It kind of looks like a chest. So I got something like that to build with him. I found a truck, so another project to work with him. I found a bath bomb. My kid is obsessed with bath bombs lately, and they just had just this one. It does smell okay. It says it's oatmeal shea. So I thought that was a cute, you know, thing. So he is obsessed with bath bombs. What, you want this already? Okay, just hang on to it, okay? It says bath bomb. So we got that. I ended up getting these eggs. Now, you guys saw in my live video, I am going to show you guys how to make your own bath bombs. I have a recipe. I just got to practice with it, but I really like these kind of molds. I like the bigger molds, so you guys will definitely have to stay tuned for that, but we're going to use these eggs for a bath bomb DIY. I found this little sign with a bunny rabbit and a butterfly. I am obsessed with butterflies. I think it's super cute. Somehow this got water damage to it. That's kind of weird. It's not a big deal, but it got some water damage to it. I never even looked at that. But then they also have a sign that says spring is in the air. So I thought these signs would be really cute to put on my mantle. And then a lot of you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree experiment DIY. Oh, I got another bag for you guys. But this was make your own snow. I haven't seen this one. We got the gel beads, which is just like Orbeez. And then I got the grow your own crystals, so we're going to be doing videos on that. But this is make your own snow. I don't know why I need to make more snow when I live in Wisconsin and we get snow all the time, but I thought this would be kind of cute, so I'll be definitely doing a video for this so you guys can like look for experiments to do with your kids. And then I got one more bag, and now my husband didn't get mad at me, so we're good. So I ended up getting lemon juice. I need to use this for a DIY, so can't go wrong with $1 for lemon juice. Now this is stuff I was gonna get him for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to give it to him. So I got this, another one of those things. This is a little canvas, a painting set. I have not seen this. I've been wanting to find it, but I think it's super cute. It's a little canvas with some paints on an easel. I thought this would be a great thing to get my son for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna give him a little gift basket or a little gift bag with my husband and get them a little gift. We're not celebrating Valentine's Day till Saturday, so that's the reason why I'm getting that. I found these gummy friendship thingies of Paw Patrol. My son loves these, so I got those for him for his little bag. I got my husband a You're My All-Star, some chocolates, because I don't want him feeling left out, so I got him a 12 count of those. Hold on, sweetie. I found another of the Claire and Denver hand soap. This was the Berry Delicious. I still like the apple one more, but I couldn't pass that up.
It's like a chocolate.
Yes, it's like a chocolate. I got Mickey Mouse. These are just crispy chocolate hearts.
Like a heart.
Can you show people what they look like? Because you took it away from me. They can't see it. There you go. So you can have that, okay?
Yeah, there's like a pop.
My son is obsessed with lollipops. And I thought, why not get him a lollipop with a straw on the end of it? I thought we could use that straw after he's done. So I thought, couldn't pass that up. Okay. I ended up getting some Tiger Pops. My son is obsessed again with lollipops, so I thought I'd give him some of this stuff for eventually. And then my husband wanted us to start eating banana chips. I tried grabbing a bag that wasn't so smashed. Can you just wait a second, honey? Just hold on. So I ended up getting just some of these banana chips, so we'll have to definitely try these out and see if they're any good. But that was my haul. I'm going to be doing a hack for you guys. I'm probably going to film it later today and show you guys that. But I'm pretty excited to show you guys some Dollar Tree experiments with kids and Dollar Tree crafts with kids. I'm also excited to show Dollar Tree experiments for adults, like hacks and everything. So you guys will definitely have to stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to find some stuff because, I don't know, my place needs some Dollar Tree hacks to keep it a little bit better. So, just letting you guys know on that. If you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I can show you guys more Dollar Tree hauls. We might be going on a road trip later on, so I might be going to another Dollar Tree, and I might do a video while I'm in the store. So, I'm not sure. It just depends. It's up to my husband. So I will see you guys all later. And thank you guys for watching. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you guys.